Creatine is more traditionally known for its role in cellular energy metabolism, but now researchers think it might also be a neurotransmitter. Researchers found that creatine actually fits many of the criteria that we have for traditional neurotransmitters like serotonin or acetylcholine. Number one is that they found creatine in synaptic vesicles. These vesicles are essential for storage and release of neurotransmitters like serotonin and also creatine apparently. Secondly, release of this creatine from synaptic vesicles happened in a calcium-dependent manner like many other known neurotransmitters. They also found that creatine was playing a role in the regulation of neuronal activity, so it was inhibiting the activity of pyramidal neurons in the cortex. Now that sounds like a bad thing, doesn't it? Inhibiting the activity of neurons, but actually other neurotransmitters do the same thing, like serotonin can also inhibit neuronal activity. This balance of excitation and inhibition is very important in the brain, and it's actually what gives it its power to be very, very precise. Lastly, in terms of concentration in the brain, creatine was less than things like glutamate or GABA, but was at about the same level as we see things like serotonin or acetylcholine. This is incredibly exciting, but of course this is one paper, and in science we're not convinced until we see multiple studies producing similar results, but nevertheless very exciting.